Hello everyone, my name is Michael Manser and I'm going to show you how to do animations in Powtoon. So what I've done is I have already made up a little slide here that have animations. So before I do that, I just want to say all I did is I Googled Powtoon and logged in with my Gmail account and then chose blank Powtoon presentation or something like that, and then chose the cartoon look. You can do different. These are just sort of um, templates to work with or whatever. So I did the cartoon one because I was doing animations. So here I have my little presentation. Now you can see down here I have a timeline that tells me how right now it's 10 seconds long, and I can make that longer if I want or shorter. And what's great about this is it's telling me everything that's happening along the timeline and when it's happening. And if I want, well, I'm not going to get ahead of myself, but yeah, so here's my timeline. And here's what I made. Right? So if I wanted to add something into there, I could just come in here and add something at 4 seconds if I wanted to, or add something at 9 seconds. But I'm going to show you how I did that step by step. So I'll open up a blank slide here. First thing I did is I added a title, which was animations. Okay, then I put in this little character here. So what I did is I went over to the sidebar and I have all these options. I can choose different scenes, backgrounds, text is where I just put the title in, characters, props, all of these. There's a lot of options here. So I clicked on characters and I chose this little buddy here, and I had him saying hello. There are sort of just some general, almost like emojis you can choose from. And I moved him down here. And I went into settings and looked at animation, and I actually had him waving 3 times, I think, 3 or 4 times. So I chose how many times he'd wave. So now I have my timeline here. And so I actually want I'm going to have the cool come up right as he comes up. In this one, I'm going to make it a little bit different. So I'm going to go back to adding text, and I'm going to add body text, and I'm going to type cool, and then move that down here. Now this is a really fun feature. I'm going to go into settings here, and I'm going to do A to B. And now I'm going to have it come from underneath him up to under animations. And you can see how it's affecting my timeline, right? So that's going to take about a full second, a second and a half. So I'm going to have that, and then I'm going to edit that, and let's see here. Attempt to edit it here and get rid of the add body to text part and have it just say cool. Okay. Now I'm going to drag my time all the way back and see if that worked. Okay, so it took out my A to B, so I'm going to redo that. Move it back to the B position. A to B. Drag it there. I think that should work now. Yeah, okay, great. So if I go back to the beginning, I like to always double check my steps as I go along. Alright, so it's not centered and I could work on, making it look prettier, but for the sake of this, I'm not going to. Then I'm going to add in another character who really likes Powtoon. So I went back to characters on the sidebar here, choose this other character, but I kind of want them to be facing this idea of animation, so I'm going to go up here and I'm going to flip him, so he's going to be facing that way. And I want him not saying hello, he's really happy. And I want him to jump up on top of the animations and say, I love Powtoon. So I'm going to have him go from A to B. He's going to start there and he's going to land here. And I can shrink him down so that he fits on the screen. Okay, so let's see if that worked. Oh, and I think, let's see what happened here. Yeah, so you can see something got messed up with my timeline here, but what I should be able to do is actually drag him. Yep, so I'm just going to have him come in at 4 seconds. So let's see if that worked. So I just dragged him on my timeline there. Okay, animations, cool. This guy comes and he jumps up, and then once he's up there and he raises his arms, I'm going to have him say, I love Powtoon. So then I'm going to drag my timer back, right? Let's see, he's up. Okay, so he comes up and he's right there and he's just about to raise his arms. And I'm going to add in text. And it's going to say, I love Powtoon. Okay. And this time I'm not going to have it go from A to B. I'm going to have it, I'm going to go to Effects. I'm going to have it pop. All right. So let's see if this worked. Yeah, so my timing's a little off, but I can go back and see here. I can move that so it lines right up with him raising his arms if I wanted to. But so that's kind of the gist of Powtoon animations. You can see, so just the fundamentally, basically, you go into settings and I can swap him for another character. I can change his pose. I can add details of his animation. I can flip him. I can do different things here. And that's basically it.